All right, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. Guys, I'm taking my kids to see the Cubs play the Padres today. So I don't know. It's a 3-hour drive there and then back from where I am in Michigan. So I don't know if I'm going to be back in time for Sunday night charts. But I don't want to leave you in the lurch. If I don't get back in time, we'll do Monday night charts tomorrow. If you want to join me then, we'll do a deep dive into the markets. But with that said, I just wanted to share my main idea. I have other ideas, and I don't have time to share them all here. But my primary idea is based upon the fact that we have a three-wave move going down to take that low right there, okay? So that three-wave move took that low. I was looking for 5 waves to the upside. Well, we didn't. I mean, you could call this 5, and we could say, okay, there's a running flat, which is a possible count. That's one of my possibilities. But what I think they're doing instead is they're doubling up the correction. So I've got a WXY marked here. And so we're going to call this a connector wave between a 3-wave down connector, and then we're getting another 3-wave, expecting this low to be taken out. Okay, it's going to get everybody a little bit more bearish, but in prep for a reversal back to the upside, not forever, but just a revisit to the high. Okay, and so that's kind of what I'm thinking here. Basically, a large flat with a B wave of that flat that is complex. It's a double correction. That's my main idea, guys. So I am looking for targets down around 70K. Could go as low as 68K if it wants to. It could go as low as it wants to be honest with you. But I'm looking for this target zone right down here, about $70,000. Okay, but once that bottom is found and the capitulation candle shows itself, and it'll probably take a good week for this to come down, guys. It's not going to happen tonight. I don't think. I think we're gonna probably start pumping it today into tomorrow before we start trending to the downside. And it's gonna probably take a good half a week to a week for that to develop. So I'm expecting sometime by the end of the week we'll have this capitulation event, maybe. And it's not going to be a deep capitulation event. It's just going to be something along the lines of this wave right there. Okay, something along the lines of that, but it could take longer. You can see that this took quite a while to develop, so we may have something that takes quite a while in here to develop before it rolls over. It just depends on how price and the timing that the market makers have in mind for the market movement. But with that said, guys, this is what I'm expecting. These are the targets that I'm looking for, and overall, I'm looking at this overall as a market top. Okay, with a a W wave to here now, and this would be the X wave looking for a Y wave back down. So we'd see another move down, another move up, and then down. So we're going to spend a lot of time in the 70 to 90 range. It's going to take quite a while, but finally see some more movement down the road. Okay, so this is a complex correction, expecting this kind of a wave shape developing over time. Okay, we'll have lots of time to confirm or deny that and share those other ideas. But if I don't see you tonight because I'm out and about with my family, watching the Cubs play today and then driving back tonight, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope that those ideas help you. That's mainly what I'm looking for. To know the invalidation, because as Elliott wave ideas are presented, it's not certain that that's going to play. If we start going up here and this high gets taken, it's not completely out of the realm of possibility to come back down quickly, but it's less likely if price starts moving up from here. I don't think it's going to. I do think, however, we're going to get a bit of a pump in here somewhere tonight, tomorrow, potentially at least, before it starts working its way down. So that's kind of what I am, small time frame, a little bit potentially bullish. Doesn't have to go that. It doesn't have to move from a structure standpoint. This could just roll over, and it could come down today and tomorrow. So I could be wrong on the timing. Timing is always an issue. But that said, there's lots of ways it can happen. Ultimately, my target is down here whether we get a retest here and then come down, or we roll over and come down now. Hard to tell. All right, guys, that's the way I'm thinking about the market. Hope that helps you, and hope you have a fantastic day. Love to have you in the Discord. If you want to come join the Patreon, go do that. Links in the description. With that said, have a great day. Bye-bye.